All right, let's talk about something that's a huge hurdle for pretty much every small business out there. How do you create amazing, professional marketing videos that actually get results without, completely breaking the bank?
And this quote right here, it really just says it all, doesn't it? It is no secret at all that if you want to grab someone's attention, build up your brand, or sell literally anything online, video is where it's at. It's basically the language of the internet now, and every single business needs to know how to speak it.
So, that's the big question, right? If video is king, how does a small business even get a piece of that kingdom without a royal budget? That is the exact problem that KickAss Videos is designed to solve. Their whole thing is creating and customizing video content just for small businesses, the companies that are a real backbone of our economy.
Okay, so what does that actually look like? Let's get into the nitty-gritty and break down the kinds of custom creations they can cook up for your business. So, their main services are all about professional, really easy-to-digest content. We're talking short, high-tech commercials that are just perfect for social media, or unique 3D graphics that'll make your brand pop. And of course, custom-made intros and outros. The whole point is to build that brand recognition every single time somebody presses play.
And you've got some really cool options for how you present your message. On one hand, you can go with a real spokesperson for that authentic human-to-human connection. Or you could go a completely different route and use a cutting-edge 3D avatar for a super modern high-tech vibe. It's all about finding the right messenger that fits your brand's personality.
Okay, so you've got a great-looking video, you've got the perfect presenter, but how do you make sure that message actually connects with people all over the world? Let's see how they tackle that.
Wow, look at that number. Over 100 different languages. This is a total game changer. And we're not just talking about a simple translation here. We're talking about making a genuine connection. Just imagine your brand speaking directly to customers in their own native language, no matter where they are on the planet. That's just incredibly powerful.
And these multi-language avatars aren't just a gimmick, not at all. You should think of them more like digital employees. You can put them to work talking to visitors on your website, explaining exactly how a product works, or creating those awesome demos that literally stop people from scrolling on their social media feeds.
We just mentioned social media, and that is the next critical piece of the puzzle. See, having a fantastic video is one thing, but using it to its absolute full potential on social media, that's how you really start to win.
And the strategy for that follows a really simple but powerful path. You start by sharing these short, engaging clips on your social channels. Then people start to like and share them, which naturally gets your brand in front of more and more eyeballs. And finally, all that increased viewership turns directly into more potential customers for your business. It's a beautiful thing.
So, we've seen what this is all about, and we've seen how it all works, and that brings us to the final and maybe the most important question for you.
Seriously, this is what it all boils down to. Just take a second and think about your business. How could speaking to customers in their own language, or explaining your product perfectly every single time, or just stopping the scroll on social media, how could that actually change things for you? What kind of new doors would that open?
If that last question got your wheels turning and you've got some ideas brewing, well, the team behind this is ready to answer any questions you have. You can reach out to them directly at the email right there on your screen to find out more. Thanks for tuning in.